Welcome to Autodesk Navisworks for Project Designers.
At IMAGINiT Technologies, we offer a live online course that introduces each trainee to the essentials needed to launch them into the world of Navisworks coordination.
With the completion of our intermediate course,
Clients will have obtained knowledge of the tools, methods, and processes needed to confidently use the software in a typical workday. Completion of the first day will enable students
create realistic rendered images, navigate the three-dimensional model for setup of scripted animations, establish custom triggers that generate action in scenes such as opening doors.
IMAGINiT's live online courses are interactive with an in-person instructor who walks students through the different topics discussed throughout the class. To help each student familiarize themselves with the routine tools that they will require in their daily workflow, each attendee will access the Navisworks environment through our unique online labs and work through practical exercises developed to assist each trainee in gaining a thorough understanding of the software. The topics and exercises have been developed through our team at Ascent to help students
Set up projects for presentation, navigate smoothly throughout the three-dimensional model to wow the clients and stakeholders, and generate stunning fly-throughs and custom animation. Each student will discover how to generate custom animations and presentations for better project understanding, script customized triggers that cause actionable effects while navigating, such as opening doors and windows, generate photorealistic images by rendering materials specific to the items in their project, simulate various lighting effects that will illuminate the project and apply casting in shadows across your project model and other materials.
automate various parts of the project through display animation for presentations, and apply project scheduling into the project model for timeline of the construction process. Each day, our well-experienced and knowledgeable instructors take students through how Navisworks functions, best sparking ideas for implementation and design while giving employees the confidence to transition into new software in order to fulfill their daily work needs, alleviating the fear that comes with transitioning into new software and new methods, assisting Navisworks users with tackling the daily obstacles and helping them move through and working through problems and issues more effectively and quickly. Upon completion of our course, technicians, designers, and managers alike each will gain the confidence to create a new project and open an existing coordination project model, and navigate seamlessly while easily moving through the various areas of the 3D environment in order to set up, manage, and produce a project with much more ease, cutting down the time companies spend on tackling the burdensome tasks of uploading and onboarding new employees and/or understanding how the new software can and will be implemented into their daily workflow.
IMAGINiT's Autodesk Navisworks for Project Designers course
Equips students with the capabilities they will need to move forward in today's technologically changing environment, familiarizing themselves with the latest and greatest in 3D dimensional
coordination and presentation software.